Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Let's talk about the multi-state fraud hub. Okay, get this. $3.5 billion. That's how much was paid out in fraudulent unemployment claims. So how on earth is that even possible? Well, it's because states just aren't sharing information. Criminals just use one stolen identity to file claims in a whole bunch of states at the same time. Here's the difference. You know a legit claimant? They just file in one state. Pretty simple. But fraudsters file everywhere. So, to fight this, a federal data sharing hub was proposed. You can think of it like a digital neighborhood watch. The idea is simple. Just connect the states.
So a state gets a claim, pings the hub scans everywhere, and boom, sends a fraud alert.
Sounds like a totally foolproof solution, right?
Well, there is a massive flaw in the system.
And it all comes down to one single word in an official report: voluntary. This chart says it all. Look at that. 22 state and territory agencies are not even connected to the hub.
And that gap means fraudsters can just target the states that decided not to join the network. States that don't participate create huge risks, wasting billions and delaying help for people who actually need it.
Which leaves us with a pretty serious question. Is your state leaving the door wide open for fraud? Subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.